Right, okay, and now just to show the leak which is causing the water to form in the boot. So what we're going to focus on is up on the top of the tailgate. We have this little rubber boot. We have one either side. Basically it's the electrics for your tailgate. And what we're going to do is we're going to put some water on top of that, obviously on top of here, and let it run off. But what we're going to do is we're going to look inside here where the cables are, and we should see the water passing through. So we've got signs of water in there already. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some water up on this top edge without getting inside the car, and then if we now look inside, okay, so you can just about see there that the water's coming down the cable. Let me just get a closer look in now. Okay, so we can see that the water's running down on that hose there, and then what it's doing is it's following that all down, and it would then exit out down the bottom here behind this panel, and then it would then work its way either across and down underneath the back seats, or it would then empty into your spare wheel holder. So there we go, that's all the leaks we've found so far.